At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for an online store involves several steps. Here's a general guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Research the legal requirements and regulations for forming an LLC in your state or country. Each jurisdiction may have its own rules and procedures. Consider consulting with a lawyer or tax professional to understand the legal and financial implications of forming an LLC. 2. Choose a name. Choose a unique name for your LLC that is not already in use by another business in your state. You can check the availability of your desired name through your state's business registration website. 3. File articles of organization. Prepare and file articles of organization or similar document with the appropriate state or government agency. This typically involves providing information about your business, such as its name, address, purpose, and registered agent, a person or entity designated to receive legal documents on behalf of the LLC. 4. Draft an operating agreement. While not always required by law, it's highly recommended to draft an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the ownership structure, management responsibilities, and operating procedures of the business. It also helps establish the separation between the business and its owners, which is important for maintaining limited liability protection. 5. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Depending on the nature of your online store and your location, you may need to obtain certain permits or licenses to operate legally. These may include business licenses, sales tax permits, or permits related to specific products you sell, e.g., food or alcohol. 6. Get an Employer Identification Number, EIN. Apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. An EIN is a unique identifier for your business, similar to a Social Security number for individuals. It's used for tax purposes and may be required when opening a business bank account or hiring employees. 7. Open a business bank account. Open a separate bank account for your LLC to keep your personal and business finances separate. This is important for maintaining the limited liability protection afforded by the LLC structure. 8. Comply with tax requirements. Familiarize yourself with the tax obligations for LLCs in your jurisdiction. This may include paying income taxes, sales taxes, and possibly other taxes depending on your business activities. 9. Maintain compliance. Stay informed about ongoing compliance requirements for LLCs, such as filing annual reports or renewing business licenses. Failure to comply with these requirements could result in penalties or loss of legal protections. 10. Consider professional help. If you're unsure about any aspect of forming an LLC or managing its legal and financial affairs, consider seeking assistance from professionals such as lawyers, accountants, or business advisors. Remember that the process of setting up an LLC for an online store may vary depending on your specific circumstances and location. It's essential to do thorough research and consult with experts to ensure that you meet all legal requirements and set your business up for success. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.